Before making any changes, let's check the phone's current information. Open the Settings app, scroll to About Phone, and locate the device details. Here you'll be able to view information such as IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. Once you've confirmed the current values, return to the home screen and launch this IMEI Changer app. Allow the app a few moments to complete its startup process. After initialization is complete, the main interface will appear. The dashboard includes several built-in utilities such as Device Scanner, Route Manager, IMEI Tools, and other advanced system features. Tap the IMEI Changer option to continue. The application will immediately begin scanning your device. During this process, a progress bar is displayed while the app gathers hardware and system information in the background. When the scan finishes, a detailed summary is shown on the screen. This includes the device model, Android version, current root status, along with both IMEI numbers. At the bottom, tap the green Proceed to Root button to open the root configuration page. On this screen, enable every available option including OEM Unlock, Bootloader Unlock, Custom Recovery, BusyBox Installation, and Superuser Access. After selecting all of them, tap Start Root Process. A progress indicator will appear across the top of the screen while the application displays each stage of the procedure in real time. At the same time, the app automatically prepares and downloads the required root files based on your phone model and Android version. The rooting sequence then moves through several stages including bootloader preparation, OEM unlocking, deployment of the root package, installation of the custom recovery environment, BusyBox setup, and superuser configuration. As the progress percentage increases, completed tasks are marked while the remaining steps continue processing automatically. After a short wait, the rooting process completes successfully and root access becomes available. With root permissions enabled, the advanced IMEI tools are now unlocked. Tap Proceed to change IMEI at the bottom of the screen. You'll now arrive at the IMEI configuration page. At the top, enable root check, show success toast only, and keep app in memory. Next, choose Generate New IMEI, then tap Proceed to change IMEI. The Smart IMEI Generator will now open. You can manually enter your own IMEI values or simply use the Auto Generate option to create new identifiers automatically. Additional masking features are also available, allowing you to randomize the serial number, Android ID, and MAC address if needed. Once you've finished configuring everything, tap Apply New IMEI. A terminal-style console will immediately appear, displaying live system activity. The application begins processing various tasks including root verification, loading system modules, mounting partitions, detecting IMEI slots, generating new identifiers, and performing validation checks. Throughout the process, the progress bar continues moving while new log entries are added in real time. The console also displays color-coded messages for different operations. Green lines represent completed tasks, yellow entries indicate informational warnings, and red entries highlight operations requiring elevated system permissions. As the procedure continues, additional processes appear, including modem refresh, dual SIM synchronization, radio interface updates, device profile rebuilding, and Android framework optimization. The interface closely resembles professional Android service and flashing software. Once every operation has finished, the console stops updating and a success notification confirms that the process has completed. A reboot prompt will then appear. Tap Reboot to restart the device. After the manufacturer logo appears, the phone enters a system optimization phase where update messages are displayed on the screen. Shortly afterward, the display switches to a recovery-style console, showing additional system commands being executed automatically. When this stage is complete, the device performs one final reboot. After Android loads again, unlock your phone and return to the home screen. Finally, let's verify the result. Open Settings, go back to About Phone, and check the device information once more. As shown on the screen, IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 now display new values compared to the ones we checked at the beginning of the tutorial.